Hi, I'm Rachel from Slipstick. I'm going to show you how easy it is to stop furniture sliding around while also protecting your floors with Slipstick's Peel and Stick GorillaPads. These pads come in a variety of shapes and sizes to suit your application. The smaller size pads offer simple attachment with peel and stick adhesive on one side and soft dimpled rubber on the other. The pads also have a durable, high-density felt core to ensure they cushion your furniture. To attach, you simply peel and stick on, applying pressure. There are endless uses for these pads, including furniture, pot plants, vases, virtually anything you want to stop moving. The GripperPad can be used on any hard surface, including wood, laminate, and tile. All Slipstick GorillaPads are backed by a 5-year warranty. Find more great Slipstick solutions right here on our website.